Hello, I'm Kobe Coleman, and I'm the instructor for the OpenStack 100 level course, OpenStack Essentials. I have over 20 years of experience in IT and as an instructor with a focus on Linux, open source, and cloud-native technologies, as well as orchestration and automation. Here's what you can expect from this course. In OpenStack Essentials, you'll get an overview of OpenStack technology with in-depth lessons covering a wide range of OpenStack components. These lessons are supported with hands-on lab exercises in a real-world OpenStack environment without any vendor add-ins that might change the way that OpenStack works. This course is a great first step in your OpenStack learning journey and serves as a prerequisite for our OpenStack Administration and Operations courses. You can also take it as part of our OpenStack Administration Bootcamp. OpenStack Essentials covers everything that you need to know in order to move your legacy infrastructure and applications to the cloud using OpenStack. This course includes an introduction to the cloud computing and then goes into an in-depth overview of OpenStack and its commonly used components. We'll start with a core set of services for infrastructure as a service and then expand to include other services that you may need in order to manage your container orchestration engine cluster, as well as all the containers and pods. We'll also look into components used to deploy bare metal machines, provide cloud billing and rating, and more. By the end of this course, you'll have a foundational understanding of OpenStack. This course is targeted at project managers, sales engineers, development managers, business stakeholders, and beginning cloud operations personnel who want to gain familiarity with OpenStack and its cloud ecosystem. Sign up today and begin your journey in OpenStack technology with OpenStack Essentials. I look forward to seeing you in class.